This is Rxindi 2.1, the smarter, faster way to automate your InDesign workflows. Rxindi automates document creation in Adobe InDesign using data from Excel, JSON, XML, or CSV files. It enables you to generate personalized, data-driven layouts from a single template in a fast, flexible, and scriptable fashion. Let's take a look at what's new. Values in the data source are referenced from Rxindi statements by specifying a path. By default, this path is relative to the root element in the data source. With Rxindi 2.1, you can now mark any element in the data source as the data root element. This allows for processing of only a specific part of a bigger data source and can significantly simplify paths used in Rxindi statements. You can specify a custom data root using the new Set action inside the document template, setting it to any path that results in an element. Until now, Rxindi has focused on a one-to-one workflow: one template, one data source, one output document. Version 2.1 introduces multi-record processing. This means you can take a data source with multiple records or rows and generate a separate document for each one, all from the same template. Enabling this is straightforward. Set the custom data root to a path that returns multiple record or row elements, and Rxindi will automatically process each one. Combine this with the export action, and you can batch produce PDFs or InDesign files to disk for every record. Here's a practical example. These statements will generate a PDF for each row in a CSV file. This example also uses two new special attributes: record index and total count. Finally, a small quality of life improvement for XPath expressions. When you want to use a simple text value in statements like output or export, you previously had to wrap it in the XPath string function. Instead, you can now just type the literal value directly as a quoted value. Much cleaner and more intuitive. So that's Rxindi 2.1. Custom data roots for better organization, multi-record processing for batch operations, and simplified syntax for literal strings. These features work together to make your document automation workflows more powerful and your templates easier to maintain. Version 2.1 is available now on Adobe Exchange. Check the description below for download links and documentation. Thanks for watching.